In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an SD card that is not detected in Windows 11. Whether you're trying to access important files, photos, or videos on your SD card, it's understandably frustrating when your device doesn't acknowledge the card's presence. But don't worry, we'll walk through some simple and effective troubleshooting steps to get you back on track. First things first, let's talk about restarting Windows. I know it might sound like a cliche first step, but trust me, a restart can often resolve simple software glitches that prevent your SD card from being detected. To start this process, make sure to save any open work on your computer. Then head over to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start button. Next, click on Power followed by Restart. Once your computer is starting back up, reinsert your SD card to see if it is now recognized. This straightforward action can sometimes do wonders by reinitializing the hardware components and software connections. If restarting doesn't do the trick, our next step is to check File Explorer. Press the Windows key together with the letter E on your keyboard to open File Explorer quickly. Once it's open, navigate to the This PC section located on the left-hand side. Look over the listed drives to spot any new drive, which should be your SD card. If you see a drive that wasn't there before, click on it to verify if you can access the files it contains. This means Windows has detected it, and you're good to go. Now, if your SD card is still playing hide and seek, the next strategy to employ is to assign a drive letter to it. For this step, press the Windows key and the letter X simultaneously to open a quick access menu. From this menu, select Disk Management. This tool shows all the disks and partitions on your computer, including those that might not show up in File Explorer. Locate your SD card in the list. Right-click on it and then choose Change Drive Letter and Paths from the context menu. You'll either click Add if no drive letter has been assigned, or Change if you wish to modify the existing one. Pick a drive letter from the drop-down list. Any letter will do. Just make sure it's not already being used by another drive. Click OK to finalize your choice. There you have it, a succinct guide to troubleshooting an SD card that's refusing to show up in Windows 11. By systematically restarting your computer, checking File Explorer, and assigning a drive letter, you're creating multiple opportunities for the system to recognize your SD card. These steps should hopefully lead you to success, allowing you to use your SD card seamlessly on your computer again. Remember, patience and persistence go a long way with technology. Thank you for tuning in and happy troubleshooting.